Okay, we've got an exponential and surd equation to solve. Well, let's just get to it. Let's take a look at this first one here. I can tell that 4 there is really 2 squared, so that's going to turn into 2 to the 2x. This is 2 times 3 is 6, so it's 2 to the 2x times 3 to the 2x. And in fact, that's the first start. 2 to the 2x, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 to the 2x times 3 to the 2x. That's 3 times 2 to the 2x. And 6 times 2 to the 2x right there. Well, what are we going to do? Let's factor out 2 to the 2x. And then we go 2 to the 2x times 3, 2 to the 2x times 6. Hey, that's pretty nice because now we've got 2 to the 2x on both sides. If we divide both sides by 2 to the 2x, we're going to end up with 3 to the 2x. And what's 3 plus 6? That's 9. And 9 is 3 times 3, 3 squared. Well, we got it now because 2x, the only way these two things could be equal to each other is if 2x equal 2. So therefore, 2x equals 2, then x must be 1. There's the exponential one all done. Now, this surd equation is a nice thing if it comes up because it's always the same darn thing. If you know the steps, you can't go wrong. The first thing you do is isolate the surd, get the square root by itself, and then square it. So that's what you do. You get the surd on one side. I'm going to subtract x, then I'm going to square. Be careful when you go square 2 minus x. You're going to get 2 squared, which is 4. You're going to get minus x times minus x, which is x squared. But you have to know there's an outside and inside product that's minus 2ab. Minus 2 times x is minus 4x. You could write this out and do FOIL on it. Be very careful, and you'll see you get minus 2x and minus 2x make minus 4x. Well, you take away x, you get minus 5x. You add 2 to 4, you get 6. And 6 is 2 times 3. It's got to be negatives. So there's minus 2x minus 3x. You're outside and inside there. That's it. We've got x equals 2 and x equals 3. And a lot of people like to stop there, and they lose 1 or 2 marks. How frustrating, because it turns out that one of these numbers doesn't work. Well, what do? Just check it. Check to see what happens when you put 2 in there. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2, the square root is 0, 0. 2 works, so that's good. Then check 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. The square root of 1 is positive 1. It doesn't equal negative 1. Therefore, x equals 2 is your solution. And there's that question all done.